Hi, boys and girls. So now you will be taking your fractions test. Remember that you may pause and work out your problem, show your strategies, and then press play again to hear the next problem. Remember that your assessment is in this booklet, your second 6 weeks student assessments. Here we go. Answer questions 1 through 2. Use the information provided to sketch the fraction model. Megan's rectangle has to be divided into equal parts. 3 parts of the rectangle will have hearts. 2 parts of the rectangle will have dots. 1 part will have stars. Remember to sketch here. How many total parts do you need? And then number 1. How many fractional parts represent Megan's whole rectangle? A, 1/6, which equals 1. B, 4/4, which equals 1. C, 5/5, which equals 1. Or D, 6/6, which equals 1. Number 2. What fraction shows the fractional part of the rectangle that has dots? Is it F, 2/4, G, 3/6, H, 2/6, J, 3/4? Number 3. 2 friends are planning to equally share a foot-long hot dog. What fraction of the hot dog will each one get if they cut it into equal pieces? A, 1/4, B, 1/2, C, 1/3, D, not here. Number 4. Devin and his family shared a large cheese pizza at Pep's Pizza Place. Each member of his family ate 1 slice of equal size. The shaded part of the model shows how many slices they ate. What fractional part of the pizza did Devin and his family eat? Is it F, 3/8, G, 4/8, H, 5/8, or J, 3/5? Number 5. Albert drew the strip diagram below and shaded the model to show the amount of research he needed to do for a group project. The 2 other students in Albert's group were required to do an equal amount of research. Which shows the amount of research each student was required to do? A, 2/6, B, 4/6, C, 2/4, or D, 4/4? Remember to show your work, boys and girls. Number 6. Byron drew a rhombus and divided it into 8 equal parts. He drew squares on 3 of the parts of the rhombus. On the rest of the parts, he drew circles. What fractional part of the rhombus he drew has circles? Is it F, 3/8, or 3 out of 8? G, 3/5, 3 out of 5? H, 5/8, 5 out of 8? Or J, 5/5, 5 out of 5? Remember to pause, do your work, and come back and press play. Number 7. Benjamin drew a strip diagram to represent each slice of his orange. 5 slices had seeds. The remaining slices did not. What fraction of the orange had seeds? Is it A, 3/5, B, 5/8, C, 5/3, 5 out of 3, or D, 3/8, 3 out of 8? Number 8. Dina took a basket of fruit to school for her teacher. 3 of the pieces of fruit were pears, 2 were apples, and 1 was a banana. What fraction of the fruit in the basket was apples? F, 2/4, G, 2/3, H, 2/6, J, 1/5. Number 9. Lena opened a package of hard candy as shown in the picture. She and her friend shared the candy equally. What fraction of the candy did each girl get? A, 2/8, B, 1/4, C, 4/8, D, 1/8. Number 10. Diana shared a pizza with her friends. The model below shows how many slices of pizza they ate and how many were left. Which fraction represents how many slices of pizza Diana and her friends ate? Is it F, 2/4, G, 2/6, H, 4/6, or J, 1/3? Number 11. Tay wrote a number that was divisible by 2. Which shows Tay's number? Remember the strategy we used? When we are looking for what numbers are divisible by 2. Is it A, 219, B, 1143, C, 1448, or D, 2231? And last one, number 12. Cynthia had 49 pieces of candy. She wanted to share the candy with her sister. Can she make 2 equal bunches of candy without having any left over? Yes or no? Explain why. Again, boys and girls, if it's asking if it can be made into 2 equal bunches, they are asking, is this divisible by 2? Use the strategy we've worked on.